Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create call link on WhatsApp application. You can do this process on your mobile phone. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here WhatsApp application, and here is my WhatsApp application. I click here bottom of the screen, status, call, community, chat, setting. So you just simply click here in the call. Inside the call section, here I am receiving n number of calls, and top of the screen create call link is available. I just simply click here and look at this here, video call link is generated here. If you want create this link as an audio, so you go with voice, and this link is totally changed. Now you can share this link, send this link via WhatsApp, copy this link and share this link. So I can copy this link. Otherwise, if you want share this link, you can share a specific contact, and this link are sent the specific contact, and the specific person are clicking the link, so n number of people are automatically join in this particular call. So this is the advantage of this particular features introducing WhatsApp. So you can use these features and apply the same link and multiple your friends to join this particular call. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.